Oh, yeah. We're gonna clean that. Oh, yeah!
Oh. Mung.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Bang! Mung. Howdy, folks. Welcome to Fuck the Bang Mung. You already know what we're doing here today. We got Zay's little guy! The old Taurus G2C hit you with a tactical reload when you never expected. Yes, sir. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna clean it. So we're gonna go ahead and slap that safety off. We're gonna fire that chamber open. Yes, sir. We're already preparing. We're just going right the fuck to it. Let's see if we can do this in one take. All one take. No editing. Edit-free BangMung video.
Whoa.
Minus the intro, which is gonna be edited in.
Whoa.
We're gonna do some elite tactics here you've never seen before.
Ooh.
Yes, sir. This totally wasn't just an idea I got from Unus Annus just now because they did an unedited video.
Oh.
Never forget Unus Annus. Yeah, we got all our shit going. We're just gonna go full speed. This could be the shortest. This could be the most intense. We have no idea. We got the Papa tossing bergs on the grill over there, which is actually the stove because it's not a grill. Oh yeah, we're doing it today. We got Earl. I forgot what I called it last time, but it's not Earl. It's his cousin because he has the long snoot.
Up. Long snooted booby.
We got the boy. Keep that fucking thing going. You better not touch that end record button. Up. Okay, so what do I need to grab? I need to grab a thing. That's what I need to grab. A thing of sorts, you know? It's too big. That's what she said.
Oh.
The fuck you say?
Mung. Come on. Come on.
I'm going.
Come on.
I gotta find what that'll fit down the fucking gab of this
Hey.
thing.
BangMung. Can you clean the gun?
I'm fucking...
BangMung. BangMung. BangMung.
Fucking Sheldon Cooper over here. The fuck you doing, Broseph? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? Okay, that should do. That should do. We recently saw Psycho Stick together on March 2nd. So if you want to see some videos from that with Black Sasquatch, go to my other channel, which is just Mung. You can see how close we were. You can see all that good shit. They are very nice people, by the way. We actually met them a lot. Wow.
Do it.
Why is this so stiff?
Do it.
Bruh. I'm...
Up.
It was such a firm dude. Like, I had to really press. This is a very short barrel.
You know why?
Because it's a little gun.
It's a very short gun. If it had a long barrel, it would be a very long gun.
You know, I was wondering if I could take, like, one of these things, put that on the end of it, and then put the other side into the chuck of a drill, and just stick it in here and see if that would, like, work.
Possibly.
Gun life hack. Stuff it in a drill.
It might be a little too fast, though. I don't know.
Yeah. But there we go.
Innovation.
David Vonderhaar, he innovated. And now he doesn't work for Treyarch. You will be missed, Vondi. But why the fuck did you nerf the DSR? Why did you make that noise? Hey, cease that. Oh yeah, the adapter for the adapter. Oh yeah, live Moss.
I saw a rumor that Taco Bell's supposed to be getting some new purple Mountain Dew freeze thing. Not even a Mountain Dew connoisseur. That's a bit too big there, BangMung.
Yeah.
Hey, BangMung. Why haven't you cleaned the gun yet?
I fucking am, dumbass.
Mung. Mung. Bang.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Dark. There's gotta be a way to clean these boys here because I think they really need to be tidied up. Unless there's no way we're just. Dude, why did you sound like a cartoon night sound effect? We're going, ah! That's the type of noise Drake would make after he eats like half of a pie in one go. Yes, sir. Leave a like if you enjoy the unedited gun cleaning video. All in one take. Oh, yeah.
You know what I just realized while we're doing the unedited gun video all in one take? Continue. Come on, don't stop.
Okay.
I just realized we once again forgot to take a thumbnail picture for this.
Oh. Okay.
So we'll have to do a thumbnail picture after it's already done, which is not part of the program. We usually don't do that. We're
I could dry fire this multiple times.
backwards Randy.
Okay.
Backwards Billy is not so silly.
Real Bill. Big Todd.
Come on now. Come on. Ghost?
Yes. Hell yeah, with Ghost. If you were there for Papa 5 Perpetua's, English, okay. If you were there for Papa 5 Perpetua's appearance, the grand reveal of him, yeah, let me know in the comments. I hope I can see them one day. I really do want to see Ghost. They are a must on my list.
I think I heard the new song on the radio at work the other night.
Satanized, hell yeah.
I don't know. It sounded like them, but...
Satanized is a fucking bop. And this is a fucking cleaned gun, son.
Wow.
Ah, yeah.
Fab.
It's saturated. We did it all in one take. No edits. Yeah. Yeah, son. That's how we do. That was a nice sound. I'm gonna do that again. Alright, well. We're done with this guy. We are. That's now how it is. And wanna know something? I am the greatness that is soon to be. BangMung! And that is Zane behind the camera doing his shbeeb. And I will see you whenever the fuck I upload next. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Dirty.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!